if that bothers you, well, that's too bad. But if you got pride and you're proud you do, hey, we could use some more like me and you. Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly.
I always keep on running when everybody waits, following this heart of mine through every stormy day. Hey, hey. Reaching for the stars and dreaming all the way, climbing high over the odds. These walls won't make me stay. It's what makes me feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel alive. High over that mountain where the wind is calling me, leaving all my fears behind. I'm weightless, flying free. It's what makes me feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel
Yeah. Well, as you can see, we made it down to Quincy Hall, beautiful Minneapolis, the Highlight Center. And today, my brother and I, as we've discussed prior, we're going to be doing a vintage tea show, or the Minneapolis Vintage Tea Market. And I think it's a Minneapolis Vintage Market. And he sells teas and gets in where he fits in, and yeah, it's a beautiful thing. So come along with us today and we'll take you along a little bit. All right, see ya. Look at all those teas. Nitwits. Yeah. Quincy Hall. Look at that. What a beautiful place. Let's take a quick little round. Let's see what we got going on in here. We're early, so there isn't a lot of people in here, but pretty soon this place will be hopping. Look at all that. Everybody's got their vintage gear.
Cut you out of the deal there.
The Eliminator. That's Grandpa's jam. What's up, guys? Made it over to Stillwater. We got a couple more stops. I'm just gonna keep cruising through. Rolling solo today. I guess the other guys said there was too much snow over by Taylor's Falls. They didn't want to come over this way. I haven't seen any snow, so I'm just cruising along solo today. It is what it is. You know what? Either you're in or you're out. All right, guys, I made it. We're in Luck, Wisconsin. Can you believe that? Luck. I don't know if you can see that on the water tower there, but everything's Luck. The Luck Country Inn, the Luck Motel, the Luck Restaurant, the Luck Clinic. Hey, I'm in the right place, especially being Irish, you know? Well, it's been a good day. I have been on the road for quite a while now. I've got about 150 miles in already, and I got about 100 to get home. So it'll be about 250 altogether, which isn't bad for March 21st on a Saturday. I go home and spend some time with my kids, and yeah. Doesn't get any better than that. Actually got a Mountain Dew today. I usually don't drink pop, and I needed the sugar rush to get home. Had a corn dog and a pop in Luck, Wisconsin. What a cool place. So I'm heading south. I'm gonna go back down 35, and then I'm gonna hit up on 8. I'm gonna go over to 95, Cambridge, Princeton, and then Princeton will go south, and that's just a straight shot on 169 all the way home. So though I had some pretty bad headwinds on the way into Luck coming from Wisconsin. I came in by Taylor's Falls and I stopped, but it was just so busy there, being that it's almost 80 degrees today. There's so many people there. So yeah, hope I don't have any gunk on my face. But yeah, I stopped there. It's just too busy, so I just kept rolling. And that's usually a place to stop, take some pictures, look at the rocks, formations, the river, and really get a feel for what some of the spots in Minnesota and Wisconsin can bring. And some of these spots are just gorgeous, but it's too busy. So we'll go another day. Another time this spring we'll make our way over. But yeah, beautiful day today, really windy, but hot. And it feels good. My butt's a little sore. I'm gonna get home. I got some stuff to do tonight and I just can't wait. So hey, when I edit this up, I can't wait for you guys to see it. So we'll see you soon.